Hello everyone, you are welcome to the day 12 of our 2026 high-end retouching masterclass. Okay, so this is 31 days masterclass and today is day 12. So in today's class, we are going to learn how you can skin tone a melanin skin, okay, and also dodge and burn. Okay, so stay tuned to this tutorial. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button. Okay, so you get notified anytime I drop a new video. And if you have mixed day 1 class to day 11, please check my channel for the class. Please don't mix any class. You are going to learn a lot. Okay, so in day 10, we created a frequency separation on 16 bits. How you can create a frequency separation on 16 bits. So in case if you're a retoucher, you don't know the difference between creating 16 bit and 8 bits. There is a difference. The difference is very, very big. Okay, so I explained that in day 10, okay, of this class. Okay, so check the day 10 for it. And the continuity of the day 10 being the day 11, we did the retouching. Okay, so we did amazing retouching right here. How you can retouch a 16-bit image. Okay, so this is before and this is after, before, after. Okay, so and this is day 12. You are going to skin tone this image and do the dodge and burn and also work on the eyes. Okay, so here in Photoshop, you know there are many ways you can actually do skin tone in Photoshop. Okay, so and we are going to let's just talk about few ways to do it, most especially when you are working on a black skin like this. Okay, so first let's duplicate this image, command J. Okay, so and to do the skin tone of this particular image, I have to create black and white adjustments. Okay, so this is black and white adjustment right here. So once I have black and white adjustment this way, I have to change the opacity, the blending mode to multiply. You can see what multiply give. Multiply it's okay. So and also you can also use overlay. Overlay is okay, or soft light. Soft light is okay. Okay. So for the sake of this today's class, we'll be making use of soft light. Okay, so we leave it on soft light. Okay, so now this is how this picture is looking. This is before and after, before and after. Okay, so you can see how this picture is looking right now. So the next thing we are going to do is to drop the opacity of this soft light. So I leave it on 50. Okay, 50 is okay. So now the next thing I will do right here is to move to my selective color right here. So remember, black skin has more of the red. Okay, so I will choose red here and add a little red on this skin. Okay, so now I have to go to this side also, go to color balance. So remember, skin tone, you just have to play along with different color channels till you get your satisfaction. So you know what you want to get. Okay, you want to get a melanin skin in this image. Okay, so play along with this color balance here. Okay, this is mid tone. Okay, so we switch from mid tone to highlights. So we play along with the highlight also. Okay, so as you can see how this image is looking right now. Okay. So don't worry, we're going to merge everything to see what we achieved so far. So now I'm going to go to channel mixer here. So here in channel mixer, this is some blue. So play along with the channel here. So play along. Let's see what we're going to get here. Okay, so let's switch to red. Okay, so let's switch to green here. Okay, so let's merge these layers together. Let's group them together. I mean to say, so I highlight them and Command G or Control G to group them together. So let's check what we have achieved. So this is before and this is after. This is before and this is after. You can see right here that this picture is the skin tone is looking dramatic right now. Before, after, before, after. Okay, with different adjustments. Okay, so the next thing I will do right here is to merge this thing and merge this thing together. So I control E to merge it. Okay, so I take this to camera raw filter. Okay, so this is, don't forget, this is okay this way. Okay, but I don't want to leave it this way. I want to add more things. Okay, so take it to camera raw filter. So here we are in camera raw filter. So this black here, I push this black down a little. Don't want it to be much. Okay, yeah, I'm going to play along with this light, the highlights, the black here, to be able to get the highlights and the shadow. Okay, so making it possible not to do the other types of dodge and bomb again on this image. Okay, so now the highlights, I add the highlight selector. Okay, so this shadow here, let me open the shadow selector. Okay, so I show down. So this temperature and things, I take it this way, plus 3. This is nice. So I increase the vibrance a little. Remember, these two colors are nice. Okay, so depends on what you actually want. So I increase the texture a little. Okay, so So this is okay. And I will go to this edit icon here. Then I'll go to enhance portrait. Under enhance portrait, I go to enhance eyes for the eyes. Okay, so this is AI settings. As you can see, your edit we applied updating AI settings. It may take some time. So this is AI settings inside camera raw filter. Okay, so if your camera raw filter don't have it, you need to update your camera raw filter, update your Photoshop. Okay, as you can see, the enhance eyes that automatically enhance this eye. So you can use the slide here, go along with the slide here, to check what you get. Okay, so something like this is nice. Okay, so that this is nice. Now, now this is okay. So I click on okay. Okay, so now this thing that she applied here, okay, I need to make it more active. Okay, so I click here and pick the color. Nice. So I create the solid color from it. Okay, so I put it on soft light or overlay. So soft light is okay. So I invert it. Invert simply means to hide. Command or Control I. Okay, so I reveal it by painting, pick my brush tool and paint on the place I want the stuff to be on. Okay, nice. So I can also paint it there. White side of good, good side of this eye contact. Okay, so now I can paint it there. Okay, so this is nice. This is nice. So let's make this. So this is this picture raw. Okay, so we use this spot removing brush tool and remove these pimples on the face, and we get these results. Okay, before after. Let me zoom it more so you see before after. Okay, so and that is day 10 of this class. You can check it. Okay, you can check it on my channel. And from this we did the frequency separation on this system bit image, and we retouched this picture looking so soft and beautiful this way. Then we did the skin tone and I get to this result. Okay, so now I'm going to merge these things together. Control E. So this is our final result now. Before, after, before, after, before, after. So this is just an easy way you can get a picture like this looking so dramatic and stand out this way. Okay. So, and if you watch this tutorial to this end, you are a pro, and don't forget to keep on practicing and also follow up on our that 31 days class. By the end of this class, trust me, you are going to become a master in this game. Okay, so I will see you in day 13 of this class. Thank you for watching.